For operations teams, the right tool can turn scattered spreadsheets into organized, automated systems. Two of the most popular platforms that bridge the gap between a spreadsheet and a database are Airtable and Smartsheet. Airtable is a modern visual platform that feels like a spreadsheet, but functions like a database. You can start with familiar rows and columns, then layer in relationships, views, and automations that turn basic data into connected workflows. It is designed to be flexible enough for marketing campaigns, content planning, product operations, or inventory tracking, all inside one clean interface. For teams that want flexibility and modern design, Airtable offers a polished experience. It is great for those who like to build and adapt their own systems without heavy IT involvement. One of Airtable's biggest strengths is customization. You can switch between grid, calendar, gallery, and Kanban views instantly. Each record can hold attachments, drop-downs, checkboxes, or linked fields to other tables. This means operations teams can build systems that reflect exactly how they work. Whether that is managing vendor pipelines, tracking deliverables, or coordinating cross-department projects, Airtable's automation tools also stand out. You can create rules that trigger emails, update statuses, or send Slack notifications automatically. Now let's look at Smartsheet. Smartsheet takes a more traditional enterprise-oriented approach. At first glance, it looks like a spreadsheet, but underneath, it is built for structured project and process management. It combines familiar spreadsheet functionality with advanced features like Gantt charts, resource management, and workflow automation. Smartsheet excels at scale and governance. It is built for operations teams managing large projects, multiple stakeholders, and compliance requirements. You can assign tasks, attach files, track dependencies, and visualize progress across complex timelines. For teams that run recurring processes like procurement, reporting, or product launches, Smartsheet's templates and automation rules keep everything on schedule. Another key advantage is control. Smartsheet includes permission settings, audit trails, and detailed reports, making it ideal for larger organizations with multiple departments or regulatory oversight. It also integrates deeply with enterprise systems like Microsoft 365, Salesforce, and Jira, giving operations leaders full visibility into how projects move from start to finish. Where Airtable focuses on flexibility and collaboration, Smartsheet focuses on structure and accountability. Airtable feels creative and adaptable. Smartsheet feels precise and dependable. If Airtable is about designing your own process, Smartsheet is about standardizing and enforcing one. If you want a flexible visual platform that turns data into dynamic workflows, Airtable is the better choice. But if you need a robust, spreadsheet-based system built for managing enterprise operations at scale, Smartsheet delivers the precision and reliability you need. Both tools transform how teams organize and automate work. The difference lies in whether you value flexibility or structure.